Hey guys, this is Uriel with All Street Garage. Here's our next job. This is my buddy Hector's Dodge. He asked us to remove and install some new headlights in the front bumper. As you see, we have some damage here. I ordered him a bumper and I painted it, which you'll see here in this video, and we're going to install it. And like I said, along with some new headlights. Pretty badass lights, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bumper's off now. We're gonna start working on the lights, get those off. Let's get it. Wired with HIDs, but the computer right now or something with the truck is just not allowing it. Every time he turns his lights on, one high beam will be on, the other fog lights, it's just a mess. So
yeah,
we're going back to stock, or maybe some super brights, just stock, you know, headlight bulbs with super brights. Going on tomorrow. Little smoke blood, probably big difference, huh, Jordan?
yeah. I like these a lot
It's
better.
gonna go with the white.
Oh yeah, it'll pop. Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Looks good. Came out nice. Another Yuri Customs.
Another Yuri's Customs. Yeah, it came out real nice.
How we do, huh, Jay?
Oh yeah. You already know. Looks good, bro.
Alright, guys. So we're back today. We got it all torn down apart last night. This is the old bumper, obviously. The new bumper got sprayed. So we're about to put it all together and then send her out. So we went from some LEDs that were giving the electrical some problems. So we're gonna go with these super brights from Napa. They're actually pretty nice lights. They're $40. They were on sale for $40 for the lows for the pair, and then for the high beams they were $40 as well. So they're pretty nice lights.
Up on this side, let's see if they work. All right, blinker. All right, highs. All right, everything works. All right, so let's pull the cover off.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Another one is done. She looks good. Thank you, Hector, for letting us work on your truck. I'm out.